During my time in Mumbai, Sindhi food was easy to come by. At friends and neighbors' homes, I could get my fill of Dal Pakwan, Koki, Sindhi curry and such like. However, that's not been the case in Bengaluru, or at least until I stumbled upon this quaint eatery called Agni Sagar in Seshadripuram, where two young professional chefs serve authentic Sindhi fare cooked to recipes by their mums. And I was certainly very happy to find this Dal Pakwan.
You can start off with the Dal Pakwan maybe first, since you've already tasted the Koki.
Fantastic.
So usually this is had for the breakfast as well.
And so typically you take the pakwan and then you smear the dal over
Right.
it.
So there are two ways of having it.
Ah.
So it's like, there are two contradictories always.
Okay.
If you want to dip your idli or you want to have it separate.
Ah.
So this is the same thing that comes with
So the
Dal
equivalent
Pakwan
of the pakwan dip?
Yeah. Or having the dal on the pakwan.
See, every culture has its own dilemmas.
So I'll help you out. Put some dal on the plate.
Lovely. I like the manner in which that dal is sabut.
And then there is chutney going on top. There's a meetha and imli chutney again. So we put some chopped onions.
Some nimbu.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
I'm tasting the flavor of the ajwain in that. The dal is very comforting. It's got just the right balance of that slight heat from that green chutney, little bit of sweet sourness. Yeah. I also like the fact that the dal, although it is sabut, it is still quite creamy the moment you bite into it. So this is a combination of both the whole dal and also some pureed dal that's gone into it.
Yeah, a little.
Huh?
We want to serve homely food. It shouldn't be very heavy on the masala. So there's hardly any masala that goes into this.
Main flavor just comes from the tadka we put into, So even if you see the mutton or the dal or the curry, the flavor just pops out from the tadka we add initially in the oil or the ghee.
Even this pakwan is quite tasty by itself.
Right.
So do people also eat the pakwan just by itself with some chai?
Yeah.
So some
evening you can just have it like a snack.
The flavor is almost a bit like a matri.
Matri,
Yeah.
right?
No?
Yeah.
Very close.
Oh, very nice. To me, this dal here is simple yet oomphed up with those chutneys. And I think that's what's interesting. So you've got the wholesome, nourishing flavor of the dal that's been uplifted by the chutney. A little more of that chutney to my dal. Maybe a little more spice this time. And some of the onions. Give it a nice mix and help it onto that pakwan. So good. For those of you who have not eaten a dal pakwan, just picturize a creamy chana dal in a chaat sort of a format. Because it's got all the things that you'll find in chaat. It's got the crunchiness, it's got the flavors, it's got a bit of the thikapan that comes from the green chutney, it's got that spicy, sour flavor that comes from the tamarind chutney, and then of course you've got that moist crunch of the onions, and a little bit of the sourness that comes from the lime. I'm also liking the freshness that comes from the coriander. So good.